Are you looking for the best pipe clamps? In this video, we will break down the top 5 pipe clamps on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Bessey Tools BPCH34H Style Pipe Clamp. This is our top product because of its H-style foot, which stabilizes the product in 2 dimensions while offering dual-axis stability to the clamp. It also does not let the clamp from tipping over. The construction material used in this clamps is cast iron, and it has zinc-plated clutch components with the threaded spindle coated with black oxide. The strength of the product is not questionable, however, the material is prone to corrode and rust. Also, the product has got an extra high base for more potential usage. To prevent the damaging materials from being clamped, you get 2 soft jaw caps with this product. The clamp is easy to use, however the small size is not useful for bigger projects. At number 2. IRWIN Quick Grip 3/43 Pipe Clamp. IRWIN has earned its place and name with its ergonomic and efficient design, and also the durability that it provides. This clamp got a touch of innovation by eliminating the necessity of threaded pipe with a unique clutch system. Enlarged feet of the clamp ensures enhanced stability. Even the handle is designed to reduce stress and fatigue on the hands. Plus, the pressure is adjustable. The clamp comes with a throat depth of 1 to 7/8 inches. And as for the pipe that you're going to have to use, has to be a 3/4 inch pipe. At number 3. Pony 50 Pipe Clamp. Pony is a widely used pipe clamp and can be used by woodworkers as well as metalworkers. It can fit any length of 3/4 inch black pipe together with stability and firmness, without any fear of slipping. The clamp holds your pipe together gently, so there is no chance of crushing or scratching damage to the surface. The clamping capacity of this pipe clamp is only limited by the strength of the pipe used. It is effortless to use, and no specific tools are required to assemble this pipe clamp. At number 4. Yost Pipe Clamps. This clamp is designed to fit a 1/2 inch, so it is likely the most ideal option for small projects that don't need lots of gripping force. Similar to the Bessey pipe clamp, this gizmo has a generous jaw height of 1.5 inches. In that regard, you can expect a desirable clearance when tightening or loosening the jaws. There is no pipe here. So, despite the lower acquisition cost of the clamps, you will have to spend extra for the contraption to be complete. Also, because you will need to buy the pipe separately, there are bound to be problems with threading compatibility. Not every pipe will readily work with the Yost clamp screw winding. At number 5. Strong Hand Pipe Pliers with large V-pads. This tool's pipe clamps are made with the design of pliers, meaning it uses a spring system to open and close the jaw. No screw is there, and that makes clamping much quicker. It's quite durable due to the stainless steel construction, and the joints are quite sturdy. The crank handle is quite ergonomic, and it handles pressure well. You'll find 2 large V-pads as clamping surfaces, and they perform better than simple flat jaw pads. The pipe clamps can hold on to pipes with a diameter of 2.5 inches with its wide jaws. You'll find the springs to be quite strong. We found the top spindle to be useful for angled clamping.